It's moving day, out with the old and in with the new. This is our new house. Welcome to my crib. It's happening. At the start of June, we moved out of our new build into an old 1930s property. I'll be sharing a weekly vlog to show you what I get up to in the renovation. But first, here's a little tour. This is going to be Theo's playroom, and I'm going to knock an arch through there to access the kitchen. This is the living room. It's got a gas fireplace. I'm going to be obviously replacing all the floors. This is the utility, the other side of that arch I'm going to knock through, and the downstairs toilet and shower. And then we go into the massive kitchen that I just absolutely love. They left the piano, so I'm going to teach Theo how to play. And then upstairs, this gorgeous carpet I'm also replacing. We've got 4 bedrooms. So on the left here, we've got the guest room, which is going to be sort of also where we store a lot of things, as you do. And then our bathroom, which is going to be completely redesigned because I don't like the position of the bath. The master, again, I'm going to move the wardrobes because it doesn't make sense to me. It's got a Juliet balcony as well. This will be our office, so me one side and my husband the other. And then this gorgeously decorated room will be my son's bedroom, and I'm going to do some built-in wardrobes in that gap as well. It's also got loft space, which is great. And then this is the garden. This shed will be my temporary workshop while I'm building the one down the bottom of the garden. It's really good size, much, much bigger than my previous one. We'll have a built-in kitchen, outdoor kitchen here, and then patio, which I'll turn into decking. And then you've got a cute little pond. We're going to have a fence across here with a secret gate open to the rest of the garden, just to keep the dogs and the baby away from everything else and within view. This will be my allotment area where I have raised beds, growing fruit and veg. I've got some apple trees here, silver birch and maple, and this will be where Theo's playing area is, little Wendy house, tree house, and then this will be where they can sort of run around, play football, whatever. I need to do all of the fencing along here. It's like 200 foot of fencing. And then back here behind this fir tree, which unfortunately we can't cut down because of heave, this will be where my workshop is. So yeah, that is my new house. I cannot wait to show you every project that I start working on. There's so much to do. We've already done quite a lot in terms of moving things about and weeding. The garden's looking much, much better already. And I can't wait to get started and obviously show you all every step of the way and how to transform your own home. Make sure you subscribe to learn with me.